In some ways, gorillas look and act a lot like us. Now there is new evidence that gorillas may also think like us. These incredible photographs show something that some researchers thought was impossible. Proof that wild gorillas can think through problems. And like humans, they can make and use tools to solve those problems. Wildlife Conservation Society scientists Emma Stokes and Thomas Brewer believe this discovery teaches us a lot about the mind of the great ape. Thomas Brewer first observed gorillas using tools. It was a fantastic discovery. The discovery happened here in Mbelibai, in northern Congo. One morning, Brewer saw something amazing, and he took a picture of it. A female gorilla named Leah took a stick and used it as a tool. She used the stick to measure the depth of the water before she walked over it. This was an amazing and scientifically important moment.
When I cross a swamp, I always use a kind of stick to test the water deepness. And what's fascinating is that these gorillas found exactly the same solution to this problem.
These are the first photographs that show wild gorillas using tools, something no one has ever seen before.
We know that in the past, we claimed that tool use is a unique feature of our own species. But we know that that's not the case any longer. Animals are able to plan, they think, and they find a solution to a problem.
For years now, we've known that some animals use tools. They often use tools to get food. These chimpanzees use clubs to crack open nuts. Then they teach their skills to the next generation. They use sticks to get insects. And they use leaves like cups to scoop up water. But until now, scientists did not know that wild gorillas also use tools. Some gorillas in zoos use sticks to find bugs. But scientists never saw them do this in the wild. And there was more. 1 month later, Brewer was lucky again. He saw a second gorilla inventing a tool. A female named Effie put a branch into the ground. She held onto it as she reached into the water. Apes at Mbelibai often hang onto trees in order to pull themselves up from the water. But this gorilla created a tool to stay out of the water. This incredible new evidence shows that gorillas can create and use tools to solve problems, like humans do. Discoveries like this may help us understand our own evolution, how our earliest ancestors learned to solve more difficult problems.
It just goes to show the kinds of benefits you can see from a long-term research presence at somewhere like Mbelibai. We could be here for hundreds of years and still not truly uncover all the secrets that the forests have to offer.